Hey guys, I wanted to do another short video to discuss the question, should I be concerned about my immune system because I'm fasting? So, does fasting hurt the immune system? No, it really doesn't. In fact, that's one of the main things that I wanted to do in starting a group that fasts regularly is I wanted to help people improve their immune system because I know they care. This is, something on our mind with the global pandemic and all this kind of stuff. And I will say this, just personal experience, as I have been doing regular fasting, I would say my immune system has been performing better than it ever has in my life. I can't remember the last time that I like throughout this winter and fall that I got sick or anything. So anyway, so I will say no. Now I will say this. During an extended fast, your immune system or your immune function does drop just slightly, but then following it rebounds, or it actually does a hyper response to the time fasting, making it run better than it did even before the fast. So I would say that regular fasting helps build a stronger, more resilient immune system. And here are 5 ways that it does that. Number 1, fasting activates or increases autophagy. We've talked a little bit about autophagy, but autophagy is just really, it's a cellular recycling process where damaged, decaying, old waste products in cells, even tumor cells, get recycled and eaten up and removed from the cell, removed from the body. So when that cell gets replaced, then the new functions take its place. So basically fasting, this is actually a different number, but fasting resets your immune system, okay? It triggers stem cell regeneration and resets the immune system by replacing old cells with new ones. Number 2, fasting also increases glutathione, which is that chemical that nobody's heard of, but it's the most important chemical when it comes to your immune system. It's called the maestro of the immune system because it, in many ways, glutathione tells your antioxidants how to act in your body, and it tells the immune cells, the immune system, how many immune cells on this side to make and how many on this side. It helps your immune system stay very balanced. So it increases glutathione a lot more than all the fancy supplements do. Number 3, fasting, this is really cool, increases heat shock proteins. And these are proteins that are increased when we do things like saunas or hot baths. And we know that, especially for viruses, sitting in a hot bath or staying in a sauna absolutely shuts down viral replication. So activating heat shock proteins strengthens the immune system, fights off infections, and triggers more autophagy. So that's number 2. All right, that's number 3. Number 4. Fasting triggers ketosis. So the ketogenic diet, I know is really popular right now, but we're not talking about that. We're just talking about good old fasting, which does trigger ketosis, which should decrease stress hormone, and it decreases the amount of insulin that the body makes. And when that happens, our immune system, there's much less standing in the immune system's way to act in a decisive and quick manner. So improving insulin sensitivity by doing that. Lastly, number 5, fasting, when you spend time not digesting food, you are conserving so much energy body-wide, including a lot of energy. The immune system is powered by nitric oxide as a fuel source for energy, and you're conserving so much energy just spending that time of rest and not digesting for a while. So I hope that clears up that question for you. Keep fasting in an intelligent and wise way. Don't force the body into a fast, and you will improve your immune function a lot. I've seen it personally, and a lot of the people that I've worked with have. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.